Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's briefly update the situation on the gold market. In general, everything goes with our suggestion. Trading plan that we discussed recently. Gold is a bit specific market, as you know, and reacts on the negative events a bit different. Compares to Forex, to the currencies that are directly related to the situation and condition in the domestic economies, while the gold mostly stands in relation to the interest rates and some deteriorating of the situation becoming worse in the economy, meaning some recession or something of that sort. It's usually act as a more supportive for the gold market, and as you can see, the overall resistance to the downward action stands better here compared to the euro currency that almost turning to collapse. And despite that, from the gold market, we still have bearish grabber on the weekly chart that suggests taking out of these lows, and this is the common thing for the euro currency right now. In today's analysis on euro currency, we also come to conclusion that probably market is aiming on moving back to the lows in the nearest time. Still, on the gold, chances on some pullback and forming good opportunity for taking the short position looks better than on the euro. On the euro, it's very weak, and I'm not sure that definitely we will get more or less significant pullback. But on the gold, it's a bit better. So if you take a look at our time frame chart, that's the pattern that we discussed recently. Market now stands inside the confluence that we discussed, and here we considering right now some chance for the pullback. So you can see it might be some kind of the rounded hand and shoulders or something of that sort, or you could call it as a cup and a handle. This handle might be formed here still. Whatever it will be, that's existence of the strong confluence and a gradual downward action provides, well, not bad chance at least to consider and be focused on possible pullback. If it will happen, that will be the chance for taking the short position in a great place. So supposedly following the harmony of this top, it should be somewhere around 1780, 1785 area that we discussed. So that's, I think, that we could keep an eye on. This is for bears. So for taking the short position, currently it's not very good placement. Is just because market stands in the confluence support and still has chances to show the bounce. For the bulls, well, theoretically, you could think about taking the long position as we discussed recently, but well, currently, guys, I do not see yet the clear patterns. Yes, we have the divergence, we have the chance on the possible head and shoulders. So if, for example, market will form the head and shoulders here, starting ABCD pullback to the 1785, that might be the chance for taking the long position. Currently, if you would like to take the position on the bottom of the potential pattern right there, so you need to drop your time frame more and watch for a particular pattern on the 15-minute chart, maybe if it will be formed. Particularly on the hourly chart, you could see that pattern is not ready yet. So if we get the bounce here, then retracement to right arm bottom around 1760, that might be the pattern in place that you could try to use. Well, here we have only divergence by far. That's actually our view on the gold market right now. So bears waiting for, as we hope, it still will be some bounce here. If not, then we will be watching for a direct breakout, in this case searching for another opportunity to go short. With the new reality, if the breakout will happen without any bounce, but meantime we're waiting for a bounce. On the hourly chart, bulls could keep an eye on the possible bullish pattern here, and once it will be formed, it also might be used for scalp trading here on the intraday charts.